singing.
Really? What were they singing? Can you sing it?
Muddy Foot and Albus were always sing.
Ah.
They were always sing. And I saw all of them.
How many were there?
2, 1, 2, and 3, and 5.
5?
Yeah, 5 ones.
What were they?
Muddies.
Wow. Where'd you see them?
I saw them at Muddy Foot. And Daddy told me at Muddy Foot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What else? Tell me something else.
And I saw a fish store.
You saw a fish store?
Yeah, a fish store. Now, I saw a Muddy Foot and Mommy told me them and wake up. And Mommy told me go bye-bye. And she told me Muddy Foot.
Are you silly?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
The atmosphere.
Okay. It's an interesting color. How'd you come up with that one?
Silver.
Okay.